Toyota Hilux Surf 1990, rare engine, 2.8 liter, 3L natural aspirate, which is usually available on pickup trucks but not for SUV. And this also manual transmission. Engine was rebuilt by Toyota, completely brand new engine. Mileage was approximately 120,000 miles, but now they got from Japan Toyota service brand new engine. It's a very basic simple trim level, like I told, with natural aspirate engine and manual transmission. Door visor. This is super simple example, kind of like a pickup truck, but not pickup truck. Even it has cranking power window. Very basic, not vinyl material, but also still robust, no damage. Steering wheel nice. This is fog light, and let's start engine. Most important, it's manual transmission, 5-speed, high-low, transfer case, push button 4x4. Okay, glow plugs on, off, start. Starts right away. Has horn, stock original, adjustable steering wheel. Push button 4x4 and high and low. Second shifts perfect. Clock, AC, cup holders, fog light, clearance, high-low, turn signal. Okay, what else? This schematic for lubrication points and 4x4 system, part-time. Actually part-time, like a old Tacoma truck or 4Runner. This is, we have a lot of documentation from Toyota Kobe service about repair what was performed in Japan. This is factory Inclinometer, Altimeter, and Inclinometer. 100% stock. Carpet, seats, this also says diesel. I remember we had a problem in Japan in 1996 maybe, when we drove with car. Our Japanese partners, they don't know which engine car had, diesel or gas. Very clean. rear heater, even if it's simple trim level, very basic, but has rear heater. Also cranking power window. На веслах aftermarket. This is aftermarket only rims and exhaust. Very clean example. Hilux Surf SR, very basic trim level, 350 kilogram. You can open this gate with key. I can show later. The storage tools, original storage. And you can hook your, how it's called, if you have a load something heavy, you can use these hooks. I think it should be 4 maybe hooks. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, no rust, very clean. Button can close lock window, but what is rear window. Okay, this is for rear window. This is up and down. Okay, we can open this button from inside, or you can use key. And open rear door. Like that. Maybe previous owner they used roof rack. Let's start again. I will show you engine. Previous inspection in Japan. No sunroof. This is original Hilux Surf. This is